on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time seeing me, go ahead and press that subscribe button right now because we have a lot of fun on this channel. Today we have a special gifting from CurlsQueen. So currently I am rocking a 9-day-old wash and go. Yes, I don't know how the good Lord did it. I don't know how he blessed me because I've never in my life worn my hair out and it's curly stayed in a wash and go for more than 3 days. If you want to see how I achieved this wash and go, then definitely click on the video over here. I've never had curly clip-ins before, so I'm just excited as y'all. The packaging is really pretty. So first you can see it comes with this goodie bag of accessories, which is so kind. CurlsQueen comes with a comb. I almost lost my darn mind because why was I about to dry brush this? Malfunctioning. I got a second little bonnet. Oh, it's a satin bonnet. Oh, and it's adjustable. The satin bonnet is reversible. And I like how it's gold or champagne. Champagne. And I stand on that. And then it has extra clips. Now for the real good part. Yo, what hair texture did I order? Because the way this is looking a little biracial. Okay.
All right, first things first, I'm gonna separate this hair gently and then I'm gonna wash and condition it. And I'm washing and conditioning this just like I would my own hair. I highly recommend you handle this hair just like you would your own natural hair. So I didn't use a comb, I didn't use a brush. You guys know I only finger detangle. And I just took my time going through it, making sure that it doesn't get knotted up or tangled up or anything. It was really easy to use, honestly. It didn't get matted, it didn't get too frizzy, and overall it's really good quality hair.
As you can see today, I have a braid out, and as most protective styles that I do and install, they are always on a stretched out braid out. So I'm going to be attempting to do the flip over method. If you don't already know, there is a no leave out method when using curly clip-ins, and there's also a flip over method. So the flip over method does involve you having some of your own hair left out, and then the no leave out method involves like a crochet hook to the front portion of your hair.
So first, I'm just taking a front portion of my hair, dividing it in two and twisting it up because this is going to have our front section match and blend well with this curly hair type. Then I separate the back section a little bit, dividing that in two as well and twisting that up. After that, I'm splitting the remainder of my hair in half, and I'm dividing each half of that section into 3 smaller sections to do flat twists.
Okay, I'm gonna take these bobby pins and I'm just gonna pin these flat twists against each other, like on my scalp. Okay, all I'm doing right now is sectioning off these curly weft pieces. Ooh, scared, wish me luck. The clips are clipping. Okay, see, and this is why you want to leave hair a little bit on the side also, and not just straight in the back, because I don't know if you can see, but this clipping right here, I couldn't extend it all the way to like this part of my ear. So this little tuft of hair that's actually mine is about to come in clutch so that it can cover up this part of the weft. I'm gonna take down my twist and see how I can maneuver the front. So by twisting it, it created the same pattern. As opposed to if I braided it, it would have been more wavy instead of like a spiral curl. I'm honestly hoping that I have enough leave out. So yeah, just a mental note, if you're trying this, make sure you have enough leave out, please. I should have more leave out, honestly, but what I can do is split the small diameter leave out that I do have and put it to the back of my head. Alright, so this is what it looks like from the front. Yeah, here's my tiny little middle part. The ones on the side help. I love the length. This is the 22-inch CurlsQueen clip-ins. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in the side part as well. I think I like the side part a little bit better than the middle part just because I don't have that much leave out, but this is like really cute and I think it's really giving. Okay, so here it is from the side, except this time I have lashes on. I really like that you can see my ear because I feel like it makes it look a bit more realistic. I think it blends well. I hope I blended it well. So the back is looking really decent actually. Ooh, I like that my scalp is still accessible because I'm definitely itching my whole root right now. What would you guys rate this look and this hair on a scale of 1 to 10? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Push the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look